All right, I just got done installing my MX5 Things window controller, and I am having some issues, boy howdy. All right, so yeah, got the window controller installed. I just got done resetting the windows again. So let's see how it acts this time. It's been being real fucking weird. All right, windows up, vehicle is on. Gonna not fuck with the switches. We're just gonna open the top. All right, good start. Windows have popped. Top all the way down. Windows both dropped all the way down. Top up and locked. Both windows went all the way up. Very nice. All right, I'm gonna try manually moving the windows. Driver's side. All the way down. Passenger side. All the way down. All right, we're already farther than we've ever been because usually the passenger side window switch doesn't work. Let's try that on the passenger side. Oh boy. All the way down. All right. Windows are down. I'm gonna put the top up. I'm gonna put the top down. Top is all the way down. Top back up. See what happens. Nothing happens. Those windows are supposed to go up. They did not. Driver's side window switch still works. Passenger side window switch still works. Oh wait, no. I'm still holding it up. Passenger side window just stopped halfway. You can hear the window clicking as I hit the switch, but obviously nothing's actually happening. Let's try the passenger side window switch. Oh, it moved for a second. Nothing. I got no more switch control on that window. See what happens if I open the top. Driver's side window went down. Top is down all the way and locked. No movement on the windows. Let's put the top back up. Driver's side window all the way up. Passenger side window, no movement. Try that switch. Doesn't even click anymore. Oh, there it goes. Now it's clicking. Let's try this switch. Nothing. I got no window control. That window is just stuck. Window went down on the driver's side. Window moving another inch down on the driver's side, but that's it. I got nothing. Okay. Window should go up. Driver's side window goes up. Passenger side, nothing. No clicking? No clicking with the switch. Let's try this switch. Clicks with this switch, but the window doesn't actually fucking work. Let's turn the car off. Well, let's try starting it all together. Driver's side window works. Passenger side window. Oh, it works. Oh, no. It only went down. Doesn't do anything else. You can hear it clicking. And I got no window movement. Put the driver's side window down. Put the top down. And then let's put the top back up. See if it does anything. Nothing on the passenger side. Driver's side goes all the way up. Switch doesn't work from the driver's side door. Let's try the passenger side door switch. Nothing. I've lost the ability to control my passenger side window, and the top doesn't control the windows properly at all. So now I have to go disconnect the battery again. This is like the 30th time I've done this to get the windows to even work at all. So let's go do that. Come on. All right. Shouldn't fucking matter, but we'll wait anyway.
Parking recording will now start.
All right. Car's on.
Continuous recording will now start.
Ignore my dash cam.
On your smartphone, connect to a Wi-Fi network whose name starts with thinkware. GPS connected.
I got driver's door control. Ah, I had passenger control for a second. How am I supposed to redo the learning sequence on these windows when I can't even get the passenger side window to operate? I got nothing. Let me try this switch. Oh, this switch is working. Okay. Now that the windows are up, let's turn the car off. Disconnect that battery again. Maybe we can get that sequence to go. All right, it's on there, it's tight. Tight enough. Driver's side window went halfway down for no reason.
Parking recording will now start.
All right, drop the windows all the way. Windows all the way up.
Continuous recording will now start.
And keep holding
On your
it.
smartphone, connect to a Wi-Fi network whose name starts with thinkware.
That should be good.
GPS connected.
Everything I've read, that should be it. So, let's drop the top. Passenger side window went down like it should. Driver's side didn't until it went all the way down. Already a problem. Let's put the top back up. Driver's side window didn't move at all. Passenger side window went up what? What is that? Half an inch? So I have, all right, I can control the driver's side window and put that back up until I got window on the passenger side. Yes, all right, let's try the top again. Well, both windows went halfway down as they should. Okay, this time, both windows went all the way down. Let's close that top again. All right, both windows all the way up. That's what it should do. Driver's side window dropped. Passenger side did not. Top all the way down and locked. Passenger side window never moved. Driver's side window all the way down. Top back up. Won't go all the way up. It won't go all the way up because the driver's side window never dropped. So I can't put the top up until I open the door. Oh, wait. Opening the door doesn't even drop the window now. Yeah, so I can't put my top up. This thing is absolute garbage. Absolute garbage. Now I can take my door back apart to get this thing back out of here so that I can hopefully revert to stock.